Well, maybe it's little sad news for the KKR fans, as we all know that KKR is having a big match against Lucknow Super Giants (LSG), the team owned by RP Sanjeev Goenka, and we all know that Sanjeev Goenka is one of the businessmen from Kolkata itself. So there is a soft corner for Lucknow Super Giants team as well for the people of Kolkata, as well as Kolkata Knight Riders. It's the people of Kolkata, the city of joy's own team. So in Eden Gardens, in 6th of April, there is a match between KKR and LSG. But whether the match is going to happen or not is now doubtful, as it coinciding with one of the religious festival Ram Navami in West Bengal. And we all know that in Ram Navami there is a signified groups, religious groups, those who take out rallies over different streets of Kolkata as well as in the districts of West Bengal, and there is a huge deployment of police for that. So the Kolkata police arranges, so there should not be any type of irregularity or any type of clash or any type of things that goes bad after these rallies or on the occasion. So right now the CAB, from the sources of CAB, we are getting to know that Kolkata police itself, as per the sources, has requested the Cricket Association of Bengal as well as the KKR authority that not to hold the match on 6th of April, as Kolkata police will not be able to arrange special security forces for this match. As we all know, there is thousands of police deployed for the match as well, inside and outside the Eden Gardens Stadium. So there not be adequate force on that day, as it is coinciding with Ram Navami festival. So that's why right now, as per the CAB sources, we has came to know, we have done it earlier, we have said it earlier that there is a confusion on this game before also on 5th of March, and after so many days when the match is coming ahead, the match day is coming ahead. So we got to know that CAB has already requested the IPL governing council as well as to the BCCI, requested that whether this match could be postponed or can be delayed on the other date, so or else preponed it, because as there will not be any special security or adequate security arrangement. As from the CAB as well, there is a request to Chief Minister's office, to Mamata Banerjee, and to the Sports Ministry of West Bengal as well, to Arup Biswas and others. But right now the situation is still on hold, as we had a conversation off the record with CAB authorities, CAB high officials, Cricket Association of Bengal high officials. They have said that there is ample amount of time right now, and so they want to wait and see what BCCI decides, what BCCI will take role on this, and after that we will get to know whether this match is preponed, this match is postponed, this match is located to other venue, or it will going to happen in Eden Gardens. Till then, follow us and subscribe us.